The best buy and hold strategies is to learn your investment criteria and what your long-term goal is, and then find a market and attack it. Why? Because this is Ken Van Liew, the master of real estate investing, the godfather of real estate investing, the #1 international best-selling author of the Modern Wealth Building Formula, How to Master Real Estate Investing. And let me tell you, if I hadn't said it already, multifamily and buy and hold real estate is going to most likely be your favorite hobby. Why? Because buy and hold real estate does what? It teaches you how to find, fund, and facilitate the real estate, which is the entire process. So why not do a buy and hold with the best strategy and learn the entire real estate process, investment process today? Let me talk about what I think are the best 5 strategies for buy and hold. So let's take a look at them and look at finding the right property. That's right, finding, funding, and facilitating. You heard me talk about it. Well, it's finding the right property, financing the property, upgrading the property, managing the property, and preparing for the unexpected. That's really it. We talk about this all throughout my book, and it's all about the steps 1, 2, 3. How do you find a property? How do you fund a property? And how do you facilitate a property? The best part is, if you don't want to facilitate and manage the property yourself, you can always go to a property manager, and that could be part of your buy and hold strategy. But I wanted you to understand a little bit about this so you can really dive in and put your buy and hold strategy together, producing your long-term revenue and giving you the benefits of long-term residual income. The right buy and hold real estate can yield both short-term gains and long-term appreciation, right? That's why we're getting into buy and hold. This is about appreciation, depreciation. You could depreciate a buy and hold property over 29 years. That's why we're talking about buy and hold strategies today, because if I were to tell you as a master of real estate, a buy and hold strategy is the way you want to go in most of your real estate investments, because it just makes sense. It keeps appreciating, the money keeps coming in, the mortgage is going down, the bottom line increases, your investors are happy, and your mailbox money keeps going up. Although investors may be confused or intimidated at the thought of getting started, buy and hold real estate can become one of the best investments you make if you don't mind due diligence before you jump in. What is due diligence? That's right, it's called homework. If you're going to own a property for 30 years, why wouldn't you spend a little time just doing some homework, right? You want to find out, what are the trends in that area? What's happening in that market? Are you in a growth market? If you follow my other videos and you go to those best cities in the United States and you focus on secondary markets, you're always going to have a successful buy and hold strategies. And that was one of the points I made right at the onset. So guys, put your strategy together today and go get your first buy and hold property. Let me give you a few tips on buy and hold before we end this educational video. And let's start with your exit strategy, right? Consider leveraging your individual retirement account and gauge the property's potential, right? Exit strategy is so key in any investment. And with a buy and hold, your exit strategy may just be to hold it forever, right? And the way you can do this, if you're short on funds and you had a job, use your 401k plan. Get a self-directed IRA and start investing that money that's sitting in an IRA, maybe making a couple percent, invest it in a buy and hold where you can make double-digit returns. And that is what your buy and hold strategy will bring to your bottom line. Guys, I just want to thank you today. I'm so glad you learned a little bit about buy and hold. In case you haven't been on my YouTube channel before, please subscribe below. And thank you guys for your comments. Throw some comments in below. And guys, like always, make it a great day.